Hello guys, are you interested in crypto investments but you don't know where to start? Then I've made this video specifically for you. Let me introduce to you Bitget Launchpad, a newly launched platform designed to help people discover and invest in quality cryptocurrency projects. Since January 2022, Bitget Launchpad has provided users with a way to purchase and earn new tokens directly on the platform. With the rise of cryptocurrency, we see thousands of new crypto projects being created every day. However, not all projects are profitable investments and many have zero value. Investing in these types of projects can result in a significant loss of money since there's a little regulation and a low entry barrier for initial coin offerings. Bitget Launchpad was created to help users like you discover more quality crypto projects to invest in. By doing so, Bitget Launchpad aims to reduce the risk of investing in less valuable projects. The platform provides a safe and secure way to users to purchase or earn new tokens and discover potentially profitable crypto projects. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, Bitget Launchpad may be an excellent place to start your investment journey. So to enroll in the ICO, which is the initial exchange offerings, there are two requirements of which I'll explain step by step on how to get there. First, you need to hold the required tokens to which will be used in getting the tickets for the lottery, and secondly, you must pass the KYC. So let's register by clicking the first link in the description of the video below. You will be redirected to this page. Click on the sign up area and fill the required details. The next step is very important, and you need to verify your ID. Just click on Profile and then ID verification at the top of the right page. Move down and click on Individual Verification and complete your KYC. After verification, if you are new to the Bitget platform, you need to deposit crypto into your account. The platform accepts any deposit, so you can start with as low as 50 USDT to as much as you can get, so there's plenty of opportunity for everyone. Go ahead and click on Asset and then Deposit at the top right of the page. Remember to choose the correct network of your crypto asset, be it Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, or XRP, to avoid any inconvenience. Also, when you deposit in the platform, you get a bonus. When we go to the Reward Hub, we can see you get up to 5,000 USDT in bonuses only. So you need to take the next step of buying BGB, which is a Bitget token, because you will need it for the Launchpad. Once you have completed your first deposit, click on Trade and then go to Spot Trading at the top of the page to choose BGB USDT pair. Go ahead and buy the amount of BGB you want, and as you can see, 1 BGB is around 0.42 USDT, and remember you need at least 100 BGB to invest in the Launchpad. The more BGB or tokens means you'll have more tickets for the Bitget Launchpad. The next step once you have your BGB is to register on the Bitget Launchpad. Just click on Earn and then scroll down to the Launchpad area and click on it. Choose the latest Launchpad project, and in our case, it will be Project Halo. To give you a bit of an insight about this project, it involves collaborating with the decentralized 3D artist community. The Halo label realizes the interflow of value with the real world by the original economic system and brand effect. Halo virtual humans are needed to enter the metaverse. In Halo, the character models are not only static images, but the reborn you in the metaverse and the body to connect the metaverse with the real world. In Halo, all humans can find their new identities in Web 3.0 and find themselves in the depth of their souls. So once you have registered on the Bitget Launchpad, your estimated tickets can be viewed on the dashboard. Here you can also see your winning tickets. So in summary, the project name is Haloworld. Total supply will be 500 million Halo. Total Launchpad allocation will be 2.5 million Halo. Total winning tickets will be 10,000 tickets, and each winning ticket contains 250 Halo. Sale price for 1 Halo is $0.02. Price in BGB will be announced 3 hours prior to token exchange. The entry method will be hold and gain lottery tickets. So with the Halo Launchpad timeline, registration is in 2 days. That is between February 28th, 11 a.m. to March 2nd, 11 a.m. UTC. So you need to complete your KYC verification and hit register on the Launchpad as I've just guided you before. So no snapshots will be taken during this period. You may start staking up your assets to prepare for the snapshot period. So there will be no more registration allowed after this period. So day 1 snapshot will be between March 2nd, 11 a.m. to March 3rd, 11 a.m. And the snapshot will include all assets in your spot and futures account, excluding assets from Earn, Launchpool, Margin, and P2P account. So during this period, the system will display an estimated ticket section based on your assets. So keep in mind that your actual obtained tickets will only be revealed after the snapshot period once your holding amount is calculated. So the system will take a random snapshot during this period. Once the Launchpad page is updated with your obtained tickets and the actual time the snapshot is taken, your total holding amount can change without affecting the issuance of the lottery tickets. So ticket allocation will be between March 3rd, 11 a.m. to March 3rd, 11:59 a.m. UTC. Tickets draw result will be from March 3rd, 12 p.m. UTC. So go to the Launchpad area and check if you hold any tickets during that time. Token exchange will be 2 days. That will be between March 3rd, 12 p.m. to March 5th, 11 a.m. UTC. So from that time, the Halo USDT spot trading will be announced. So take this opportunity today and go to the Launchpad area to register for you to start earning. Just take an example of the last project on BBO, which was their first Launchpad project of 2023. It was based on a completely decentralized GameFi project and went public. It rallied from 20,000% listing and has since stabilized at around 4,000%. This was so massive indeed. This is a good project to start your crypto investment journey, so don't waste any more time and start investing. Hope this video has been helpful and will give you an opportunity to add to your investment portfolio. Thank you for watching, and in case of any questions, feel free to contact me. Take care and bye-bye.